What if I told you that AI could make you rich in 2025? And no, I'm not talking about robots taking over your job. I'm talking about using AI to create massive income streams while you sleep. Sounds crazy? Well, stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know 5 insanely profitable AI business ideas that can make you serious money this year. But here's the catch. Most people will hear about these opportunities and do nothing. Will you be one of them? Or will you be the one who takes action and builds wealth with AI? Let's find out. AI-powered content creation, automated cash machines. Content is king, right? But creating it takes forever. Writing blog posts, designing graphics, editing videos, it's exhausting. And let's be honest, most people quit before they even start. Enter AI. Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Runway ML can write blog posts, create stunning images, and edit videos in minutes. Imagine running a faceless YouTube channel where AI writes your scripts, generates videos, and even edits them for you, completely automated. You can monetize with YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, or selling AI-generated digital products. So while others are stuck watching Netflix, you could be making money with an AI-powered content empire. Kinda makes you rethink your screen time, huh? And speaking of digital money making, let's move to something even crazier. AI that actually sells for you. AI-powered sales and marketing. Automate your way to riches. Sales and marketing are the backbone of any business, but let's face it, most people hate selling. The cold emails, awkward calls, and endless social media posts, it's painful. AI changes the game. Imagine having a personal AI assistant that finds leads, writes sales emails, and even closes deals. Tools like Jasper AI, Copy.ai, and ChatGPT can craft high-converting sales copy, while AI chatbots like ManyChat handle customer interactions 24/7. You can start an AI-powered marketing agency or sell AI-generated ad copy and email sequences to businesses. Think about it. While your competition is burning out chasing clients, your AI is out there closing deals for you. Who's winning now? But what if you could make money from AI without even creating anything? Let's talk about AI flipping. AI flipping, turning AI into cash. Most people think AI is only for tech geeks, but what if you could make money just by flipping AI-generated assets? Here's how. AI can generate logos, website templates, stock images, even music. You can use platforms like Midjourney for AI art or 11 Labs for AI voiceovers and sell them on sites like Etsy, Fiverr, or Shutterstock. You don't even need design skills. Just let AI do the work. And here's the shocking part. Some people are making thousands every month just by reselling AI-generated content. But there's an even bigger opportunity ahead. AI-powered automation services get paid to save businesses time. Businesses are drowning in repetitive tasks. Emails, scheduling, data entry, you name it. It's killing their productivity and profits. That's where you come in. You can start an AI automation business by helping companies set up AI chatbots, automate workflows with Zapier, or integrate AI-powered customer service tools. Businesses will pay big money to save time, and you don't need coding skills. Just learn how to connect the right AI tools. Platforms like Make.com and OpenAI's API make this super easy. So while others are wasting time on busy work, you could be charging $500, $1,000, or even more per client just to make their life easier. Not bad, right? And finally, the biggest AI gold rush of 2025, the one that could print money for years to come. AI-driven investment and trading. Money that works for you. Investing can be risky, and let's be real, most people have no idea what they're doing. They buy at the top, panic sell at the bottom, and wonder why they're broke. AI can analyze markets, predict trends, and execute trades faster than any human. Platforms like Trade Ideas and Capitalize.ai allow you to automate stock, crypto, and forex trading using AI-powered bots. You set the strategy, AI does the trading, turning the market into your personal ATM. And here's the wild part. Some hedge funds are already using AI to outperform human traders. So if you're not using AI in investing, you're already behind. Now, you know 5 powerful ways to make money with AI in 2025. But the question is, will you act on them? Or will you watch from the sidelines while others get rich? If you found this video valuable, smash that like button, subscribe to MetaMind Profits, and drop a comment on which AI business idea excites you the most. I read every comment and might just make a deep dive video on your favorite strategy. And if you're serious about building an AI-powered income, don't miss my next video. It's a game changer. See you there.